Now is the perfect time for me to teach you an access modifier called protected. So far, you've seen that we have this employee class with two implementations, manager as well as programmer. Let's go to programmer for a second. And in here, if I scroll down, and let's say that in here, I want to say the name, so name, colon, and then it is writing some code. So here, basically, I want to say this dot and then name, colon, plus, and then colon, oops, just like that, writing some code. Now, if you look at this dot name, so in here, this dot name is within employee. So the name in here is private, and you've learned about private, right? So private means that the only thing that can have access to this property right here, or if it's a method, is anything within the class itself. Now we have another access modifier called protected. So here, I'm going to change this from private to protected. Now, if I go back to programmer, have a look. So this dot name now works. So what the protected keyword really means is that, oops, not here, but here. So protected means that the only thing that can have access to it is the class itself, as well as its subclasses. Again, the classes itself, as well as its subclasses. So here we could actually change all of these to protected, just like that. And the only thing that can have access to all of these fields are the class called employee, but also its subclasses. Now, if you are outside the package and whatnot, you won't be able to access these fields directly. So this is basically protected, and you can see it's mainly when you're working with inheritance and you have a superclass and then you have a subclass that wants to use the properties or the instance fields right here directly, then you should use protected. And finally, just to show you that this actually works, let me just run main. So I'm going to run and now have a look. So if I scroll up, you can see that Jamal and then colon writing some code. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, catch me on the next one.